Right, good morning everyone, welcome back. We're in Walkerville today and we're going to repair a Centurion D5 Smart, the initial D5 Smarts, which are 24 volt systems. It was struck by lightning. Obviously there's some faults with the installation, which we've pointed out to the client, and we're going to make a video regarding it to showcase it all. Yeah. Now we'll sort it out. Stay tuned. Right, the other day we did check the gate wheels, but I'm just looking closely at this one and it's quite skew compared to the steel sliding gate. So we'll just check that bearing as well. Right, we've managed to lift the steel wheel from the ground. I'm just going to spin it. What we have is we have sideways play. So it's running freely, but and you'll be surprised when it's taken out and you actually find that the wheel bearings are shot in it. Right. Right, the wheel is out. What they did is they only welded it on one side, so that's why the wheel was skew. It's got rubber seals on it, but you can see the seal is worn and the seal came off, so this bearing is exposed. So we're just going to quickly fit two new bearings on it and just get it over and done with. Yeah, when you do remove bearings and they fail like this, where the inner casing, and that's your bearing cage, if it fails like that, you know it's worn out. Time for new ones. So what we do, here's the new bearing. You can see there's not much grease in it. They are high-speed bearings. So we just open the seals, fill it with grease, and then close it up again. Right guys, make sure that your ground track is clean and that it doesn't interfere with the operation of the steel sliding gate wheels. This track is crumbling a bit, and now with the gate wheel which is up correctly, it was catching on the one side, so we just cut off small sections just to open it up for the wheels not to catch on it. But let's get to the surprise, that one there. Right, we've quickly removed all of the electronic components, and this is on the right hand side, that bolt we secured incorrectly. On the day of the assessment we showed the client that it was incorrectly fitted, so that on the left hand side, that bolt or the adjuster nut is upside down. Same with that one. So we're going to sort that out first. So we made sure that the gate motor is secured down properly, and with that we found that the spacing on the steel rack and gate motor pinion gear is not correct, so we're just going to weld in new brackets. Just do it properly first time around. So we started with the center one, and then we'll work ourselves to the back side and then just come back and do the last section. Okay, we're done welding the steel gate rail back onto the steel sliding gate, and it's running smoothly now. So you can see there we're going to paint it just now. Startup section, double brackets, and then 500 millimeters apart. So we're going to replace all of the electronic components on the gate motor because of the lightning. I'll get to those components just now. Now we're just busy with the double stage update on the controller card. So if you look at the steel gate rail, it's been painted, primer paint. We don't carry all of the colors. We're not painters, let's put it that way. And we want our work not to rust. So we're just going to wait for the controller to update, and then we can set the limits. Right, let's quickly look at this power supply from the gate motor. Just clips out of position. So here you can see on the rear side how the tracks have been burnt. So that was in a sense insulated by this sponge that fits on the back of it. So that prevented basically a flash over onto the back of the power supply housing. But if you look on the front side, top right corner, I just need to, you can see there's the lightning burn mark that initiated everything. So that's on the gate motor power supply.
Did the gate reach an end stop?
So we're going to quickly set the limits.
Finding end stop.
It's done via the My Sensors application that you can download for free from the Play Store. So obviously the gate will run slowly in both directions, and it will calculate how much force is needed to operate the gate.
Did the gate reach an end stop?
Yes, it did.
Finding end stop.
Alright, we'll get back to that. Right, this is the gate motor controller card. We don't have any flash marks on it. We don't have any visible damage on it, apart from the power supply that's clearly burnt. But as soon as you connect 24 volt to this, the battery starts melting. Well, it's just smoke everywhere. So the load factor, somewhere it's shorting down to ground, stuff like that. So don't try to repair them. If you want to, rather just get a new controller card. Save yourself some troubles, because we found that electronics that have been repaired don't work well. You always sit with problems. Right. Right guys, we're done with the repairs on this Centurion D5 Smart sliding gate motor. Just note that the D5 Smart is the older version. It's a 24 volt system. It uses a dual 12 volt battery system in series, which gives you 24 volts. Let's quickly test it. You can see the gate motor standing dead still during operation. Here's the pedestrian. We've set the auto close time to 15 seconds and the opening distance to 1.58 meters. So it's big enough for you to take your dustbin out and in time return before the gate closes. That's 15 seconds. So guys, you know what to do. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. You can find us on the World Wide Web, www.smartgates.co.za. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of the support. Just a small aspect. We normally turn the brackets upside down, but in this instance we had to put them down. See if I can get in there. You can see that the bracket is onto the steel frame of the steel sliding gate. So, but this one was just catching on the gate motor pinion gear. I'll just do an insert on it on the video, and basically was that section of steel. So when I operated it on the test video, I saw it jumping. So basically what happens is the gate comes very, very close. The gate and the steel pinion gear of the gate motor comes close. So basically that angle bracket was catching on the pinion gear. I just had to quickly cut that off to ensure that it's running smoothly. That's it. Quite. There you can see, those are the guys that you need to call.